Let's jump into it. Number 9. A T-Rex's closest living relative is a chicken. Imagine looking at a massive, terrifying Tyrannosaurus Rex and trying to guess its living descendant. You'd probably picture a crocodile or a giant lizard. But the shocking truth is that its closest living relative is the common chicken. We're talking about DNA evidence and fossil records showing that modern birds, including chickens and ostriches, evolved directly from the lineage of two-legged carnivorous dinosaurs. It's like finding out your powerful armored tank descended from a tiny scooter. They share similar skeletal structures and even specific proteins. This bizarre fact connects your dinner plate directly to the Jurassic period. For now, remember that every chicken you see is technically a living dinosaur. Number 8. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. Imagine a huge herd of cattle, seemingly interchangeable, but they actually form deep, selective emotional bonds. That's right, cows choose best friends and experience measurable stress when they're kept apart. We're talking about studies showing that a cow's heart rate significantly increases when its best friend is removed from the immediate vicinity. It's like a high schooler being forced to sit alone at lunch. Their body chemistry actually changes. When they are together, their stress levels decrease dramatically. This bizarre fact proves that these common farm animals possess much deeper social intelligence than we give them credit for. For now, know that cows are just big, furry socializers with complicated relationships. Number 7. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Imagine a creature with 2 hearts dedicated just to pumping blood through its gills, and a 3rd heart that circulates blood to the rest of the body. That's the extraordinary anatomy of the octopus. We're talking about an animal that uses a copper-based blood protein called hemocyanin instead of the iron-based hemoglobin we use. It's like their entire internal circulatory system runs on a different advanced chemistry. This copper gives their blood a distinct blue color, which is more efficient at transporting oxygen in the cold oxygen depths of the ocean. This bizarre fact makes them seem like they've parachuted in from another planet. For now, remember that in the deep ocean, blue blood is superior. Number 6. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Imagine trying to come up with a collective noun for a large gathering of brilliantly colored pink birds. You might call it a flock, but that would be a disservice. The official term for a group of flamingos is a flamboyant. We're talking about a term that perfectly captures the dramatic, theatrical, and colorful nature of these birds. It's like a scientific committee decided to abandon Latin formality and just describe the scene exactly as it looks. Other strange group names include a pride of lions, a parliament of owls, and a cackle of hyenas. This bizarre fact is simply a delightful instance of nature meeting brilliant human vocabulary. For now, know that sometimes the simplest descriptions are the most accurate. Number 5. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop. Imagine being an animal biologist and discovering a mammal that produces waste that is perfectly square. That's the bizarre reality of the wombat. We're talking about an animal that, due to the unique elasticity and uneven contraction of its intestinal wall, literally creates brick-shaped feces. It's like having an organic 3D printer for poop. Scientists believe this shape helps the wombat mark its territory by stacking the cubes on uneven surfaces without them rolling away. This unique biological function is the only known instance of cubed excrement in the animal kingdom. For now, remember that the wombat is the world's most unique geometric defecator. Number 4. An electric eel can generate enough power to run. It's 10 light bulbs. Imagine a freshwater fish that can generate a shock of up to 600 volts. That's the staggering reality of the electric eel. We're talking about an animal that contains specialized organs called electrocytes, which can create powerful electrical currents for self-defense and hunting. It's like a living, swimming taser that runs on biology. While not a true eel, it's a type of knife fish. It can emit enough wattage to temporarily stun a horse or power up to 10 standard household light bulbs. This bizarre fact makes it one of the most powerful natural predators in the Amazon. For now, know that some animals truly are living batteries. Number 3. Tardigrades water bears can survive in space. Imagine a microscopic creature that can survive being boiled alive, frozen in liquid nitrogen, crushed by extreme pressure, and even exposed to the vacuum of space. That's the indestructible tardigrade, or water bear. We're talking about an animal that, when conditions get tough, enters a state called cryptobiosis, drying out and retracting its head and legs into a protective sphere. It's like going into a biological deep freeze that stops aging and metabolism. Scientists have successfully revived tardigrades after they spent 10 days exposed to the harsh radiation and vacuum of outer space. For now, remember that the toughest animal on Earth is smaller than the period at the end of this sentence. Number 2. Sloths are so slow, algae grows on their fur. Imagine moving so slowly through life that an entire separate ecosystem starts growing on your body. That's the reality of the three-toed sloth. We're talking about an animal whose slow metabolism and infrequent movement allow algae to literally grow on its coat. It's like being a walking, fuzzy botanical garden. This green camouflage actually serves an important purpose. It helps the sloth hide from predators like jaguars and harpy eagles. In turn, the sloth sometimes eats the algae for an extra nutritional boost. For now, remember that the sloth's slowness is actually a sophisticated survival strategy. Number 1. The platypus is venomous and sweats milk. Imagine a creature that lays eggs. Has a duckbill, beaver tail, otter fur, venomous spurs on its legs, and feeds its young by secreting milk through its skin. That's the absurd Frankenstein-like platypus. We're talking about a mammal that checks every strange evolutionary box available. It's like a committee of biologists designed a joke animal using a random number generator. The male has spurs on its hind legs that deliver a powerful, non-lethal, but excruciatingly painful venom. This bizarre fact confirms that sometimes nature just likes to break all the rules. For now, know that the platypus is proof that the impossible is usually just undocumented. Thanks for joining me today. To stay in the loop with all my upcoming videos, make sure you're subscribed.